Hi. Guess who I'm with? Come, baby.
Fine.
Trial talk about mabona ke a ratiwa. Emhlabeni.
Ska makalo ke mang ka dinepe le Cape Town nka ke mang dinepe.
I bona ntho tse jana.
All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
Okay, so I just decided now that I'm going to vlog. My hair looks weird now. Hi guys, my name is Olorato, aka the Aspiring Rich Aunt, who is here to give you what you want. Sorry for that noisy introduction. I'm in Cape Town. I've been in Cape Town for 3 weeks, but this is my last weekend actually. And I am going to basically do some exploring together with my boyfriend who's here to visit. And it's his first time in Cape Town, so we're making it a whole thing, you know, a whole shebang. We're doing all the tours. We booked the red bus, so we're gonna take a tour on it, see what Cape Town has to offer, and great pictures, of course. So I just wanted to give you guys an intro and take you along for the day, just see what's happening, let's see what's around. Currently we're at a part of V&A. You know how V&A is big, or is it just me? But I feel like V&A is big. Like I never know where I'm at, but yeah, by V&A where you get the red bus tickets. Yeah, your starting point basically. So we are there and just waiting by, going to get ourselves some coffee and maybe breakfast. No, but we ate breakfast, so just something to nibble on and start our beautiful day. The weather is not giving as much, but it is not bad, to be quite honest, because it's not raining. I just pray that God let there not be rain, please. So at least it won't be raining, but it is a bit chilly because we are in the middle of the year, so it's winter season here in South Africa for my international viewers. So yeah guys, please have a great time with me, because I will surely make sure that I have a great time, not only for myself but for my boyfriend as well. See ya.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you, and you're in the mood for empathy, just blood in my pen, better yet for your friends and them. I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Pour up plenty of champagne, cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party, she wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good, game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation, I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it.
So hi guys, we're back with the nice view.
Yes.
We're
Table Mountain.
Dumedisa.
Dumela baetsu. Legal.
So here's a cable car coming down, descending.
But
Khutsong. But now the clouds are cloudy, quite overcast today, so we won't really be able to see much even if we go on top. So rather let's not waste that money, but come next time when the sun is nice and out and everything is beautiful.
It's liquor hour now.
No.
Wow.
But yeah, guys, my hair is shrinking slowly, but we started here, now we're there. Hey. Yeah. Inside joke, guys, sorry about that. But yeah, so the next stop is what now? I think we're going to Camps Bay. Yeah, see you there.
Can't even see me, 'cause all that we need is be on you. I'm just saying I need, yeah. Fine that you call and you talk to the good girl. I'll see my world with you. You waste your time, waste yourself. I mean, honestly. I'll share my world with you. I mean, honestly, look over your eyes and see the feelings inside of me. Look at you,
Hey, before you even think of judging me, I didn't know of the bite one swallow rule. Please.
Uthatha i-skills.
Ah, mawethu. Yeza, kuyekeza.
Ngoba le. Bosha pa ka double kick. Yaqala ngiya chest akube umthweni.
The next thing you do, move down. Come on, cut.
Come rewind. Girl, I get the money if it make you mine. If you're loving every night, it make you mad. Now only you give me love and make me nice, nice, nice. I feel make you mine. But I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you're paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. Thinking I love you every day. I'ma dance with you, my money I gon' pay. For your love I gon' pay. It ain't making my DJs I feel this for you every day. When you call, run it back on replay. For your love